Industry plugins and add-ons are available from third-party developers. In summary, Final Cut Pro X represents Apple's vision of what professional video editing software should be in the post-computer era of mobility and simplicity. Its reimagined interface, support for modern resolutions and formats, extensive color tools, and real-time playback aim to empower creativity and tell stories in a more intuitive way. While not suited for every professional workflow, Final Cut Pro X excels at serving the needs of independent filmmakers, news operations, YouTubers and content creators seeking an approachable, yet powerful editor. Apple continues to iterate and expand the feature set to remain competitive with industry standards. So for the right user, Final Cut Pro X delivers a compelling all-in-one solution for video editing, effects, color and output. Final Cut Pro X is a professional video editing software developed by Apple Incorporated. With its intuitive interface, powerful features, and advanced capabilities, Final Cut Pro X has become a popular choice for video editors and content creators around the world. One of the standout features of Final Cut Pro X is its user-friendly interface. The software has a sleek and modern design, with a clean and intuitive layout that makes it easy to navigate and use. The interface is customizable, allowing users to arrange the windows, panels, and tools to suit their individual needs and preferences. Additionally, the software has a range of keyboard shortcuts that can save time and streamline the editing process. Final Cut Pro X also comes with a range of advanced features that make it a powerful video editing tool. The software supports multiple video formats and resolutions, including 4K and 8K, allowing users to work with high-quality footage. The software also supports a range of audio formats and provides advanced audio editing tools, including the ability to isolate and remove background noise. Another benefit of Final Cut Pro X is its support for third-party plugins. The software has a robust plugin ecosystem, with a range of plugins and effects available from third-party developers. These plugins can enhance the functionality of the software, providing users with more advanced features and capabilities. Final Cut Pro X also has a range of collaborative features that make it a great choice for teams and groups. The software allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, with changes and updates automatically synced across all devices. This feature is particularly useful for remote teams or for those working on projects with tight deadlines. One potential drawback of Final Cut Pro X is its compatibility with other software and hardware. The software is only available on macOS, which can be a barrier for those using other operating systems. Additionally, Final Cut Pro X may not be compatible with all types of hardware, which can limit the software's functionality in some cases. In terms of pricing, Final Cut Pro X is a one-time purchase, which means that users do not need to pay a subscription fee to use the software. This can be a significant cost savings over time, particularly for those who use the software frequently. In conclusion, Final Cut Pro X is a powerful and user-friendly video editing software that is a top choice for professional video editors and content creators. Its intuitive interface, advanced features, and support for third-party plugins make it a versatile tool that can be used for a range of video editing tasks.